bracelets I bought is Christy says Christine Durant bag Coach.
Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Him in one time.
Yeah.
She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy.
Like, I look cute. I'm going out for dinner. I'm a look cuter. My armband is like Christian Dior, but in the Philippines. My top, guess where it's from? It's so cute, but guess where it's from? Forever 21. Alright, when I guess those, I'm going to get a proper picture, a proper video. Bag Coach from Japan.
Where them fans at? Where them fans at?
Can we go? Thank you.
Where them fans at? Where them fans?
Alright, these are crab croquettes.
She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, we're going to try the crab croquettes. It's a bit hard. Let's go for you. Duck, the duck, port wine rice, and a sweet soup, braised ribs, grits, and Brussels sprouts. Let's dig in. You can dig in. Alright, so we're going to try his braised ribs and grits and a piece of Brussels sprout.
The ribs is good. The grits isn't bad.
The grits isn't bad. That's good. That's really good. So yeah, so we're going to Yokohama, right? We're hanging out. Wow. Okay, so this is the sauce. It's sweet. It's like a honey type.
Whatever you want.
I thought he was going to smash it up.
Nah, y'all do it. It's more fun. Y'all do it.
Smash, 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 smash. That's it? So this little sweet treat was a bit different. You're supposed to smash it open and then you're able to see the stuff inside. And I had like bread pudding inside, ice cream inside, whipped cream inside, chocolate inside. It's a big combo. It was a big combo here. I'm trying to find out, you know, what's going on. But it was pretty cool. Like you smash it open and then voila! I discovered like what is inside. But yeah, it was extremely sweet.
She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy.
But that's just the walk.
VIP.
So I went out for dinner tonight and I think I look really cute, so I wanted to show my outfit. I tried to get some at the location, but I'm not sure how they'll look. So what I'm wearing, this is like my 10th time doing this video. Okay, it's a Swarovski jewelry, Forever 21 top, Coach bag, and pants, pretty little things. I don't know if I can say pants properly. Hold on, I probably have to bend over for showing the pants. Alright, so pants, pretty little bit. Alright, so pants is pretty little things. Pants. And my bracelet I bought is Christy says Christine Durant on it. I bought it in the Philippines. I bought it in the Philippines, and I bought one for myself, one for Chinita, and one for Kitty. Yeah, we got it in a store in the Philippines. Yeah, oh, my sandals. I have to feature my sandals. Oh, the sandals are handmade. properly. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but yeah, the outfit. Alright, dinner was lovely. I had the duck. It was really good. They put like a honey glaze, which made it like really good. And I had this port wine rice, but the only thing I'm gonna like about the rice is the fact of burn, like them burns, like some of the rice in them, because it's like they cook the rice, right? But then when you add the wine to the rice, it's like it's more stir fried, so some of the grains got burnt. Never like that, because at home I not eat bun up rice. It's like they cook the rice, right? But then when you add the wine to the rice, it's like it's more stir fried, so some of the grains got burnt. Never like that, because at home I not eat bun up rice. So all my food restaurants I want to eat bun up rice, but otherwise from that, and the vegetable was a tad bit salty, but otherwise from that the food was pretty good. The crab croquette was really good, and then I tried the braised ribs. That was really good. And the grits was nice, and I had it with Brussels, and that was good. Yeah, so dinner was nice. We were supposed to have this fountain type. Why me a bend down fit off him and I can just raise it up. We were supposed to have this fountain type sweet, but then they ran out of ice cream. Like they don't have any ice cream there, so we went and got ice cream separate and apart, and we're going to have that later. And I plan to have some wine as well. So yeah, but I want to take some proper picture of my outfit because I think I look really cute, really grown. My nails I like my nails need to be done, but don't mind my nails, don't mind my nails. So yeah, I think I look really cute. It's just to get a proper full outfit video. Let me see if I can step back and bend you over a little bit and go back. So this is the outfit. More light. And put the camera just a tad bit. So this is the outfit. Yeah, this is the outfit. Not dark, no. I can work out the logistics part. The logistics part. But I think I look really cute. Yeah. I'm going to try to do this in another angle. So yeah. Bye.
She was a fairy. Yeah, she was a
Do body like you do, you know. In the top right with you, I feel like Scarface. The way with the baba being main.